Hi, welcome to my channel, Just Another Lost Friend. So, I am Tessa Reedy. I am currently a 10th semester student here at GLC Trivandrum. And though I have started this channel 4 years back and I didn't post anything much apart from a long video or me singing here in the campus. But today I felt like okay, I should share something or maybe it's something for me itself that I would cherish for a long time. That is staying here in this college hostel apart from my family. Though my home is like 2.5 hours far away from this place, but I have spent, at the same time I have spent my weekends there at my home. But the weekdays coming to college, going to college, chilling with friends, chilling with hostel mates and all, it's been I don't know, today I am a bit emotional. I don't know even if I'm emotional or not, but still today is my last day here at college hostel. I'm vacating it and I have been staying here in this room for the past 4 years. That is, I started staying here in October 2021. So technically 3.5 years, but we can say that okay, it's 4 years. I don't know. I was assigned here on 30th October 2021 and I had a roommate, Meenakshi Chechi. Chechi means elder sister in Malayalam, and she indeed was Chechi to me. Like, she took care of me and she literally did pamper me a lot. Like, she taught me many things, even from learning how to learn IPC and all, but still she's still a very near and dear one to me. And lastly, I had my junior roommate, Alagananda. She's such a really nice person. I don't know, maybe I have just lived her with 3 or 4 months, because indeed we had vacations in between, but still she was a really nice person to be with. And I have been staying here, as I said, for the past 4 years in this room number 158. It is very near to the main gate. It is on the first floor itself, so I can get all the gossips. But apart from the gossips, it is, but still, yeah. And one peculiarity of this hostel is that it is very affordable. Like, apart and on the basis of your distance from college to your home is what is considered as a parameter for you to get into this hostel. So if you are a person from Kasaragod, congratulations, you will surely get into this hostel. But still, if you are a person from Kollam, please don't even try to apply, you won't get in. So yeah, I remember that having seniors from Kollam itself, like when I was in second year, I had final year like LLM students or final 5 chechis, like, who was so cool at that time. Like, I would think, okay, when I will be in final 5, I will do this, that and all. But still, I don't know. And pardon, this is my very first YouTube video and I never intended to make one. But still, I wanted to keep something for myself. So this is my room. I have packed up everything and I have kept it on my roommate's bed. Actually, she is not here, and I'm clearing out things, cleaning everything, so that when she is coming, when she is back for exams, she won't have to clean her room. So I am keeping it neat and tidy, and I will leave from this hostel. I guess I did leave this college like 1 month ago. Like, I had my exams and all, but still I didn't feel like okay, I am going out from this place, or this place won't be the very same place for me again. But today, when I am vacating the hostel, since the hostel is very near to the classrooms itself, like it's in the campus and it's near to the classrooms itself. So when we used to go to college, what we used to do is we had our classes started at around 8:30 in the morning. So And hostel's mess timing starts at 8 for breakfast. So we, like me and my some friends, we used to wake up around in the first year, okay. Then things changed and all, but still around 8:50, no, 7:50. Then we would go rush to that bathroom area. That's a common area of brushing and all and taking bath. Like bathrooms are all common. We don't have attached bathrooms here, so we all used to rush there. Like we would say like that, and we would brush. Like one is standing behind. So since I'm a tall person, a very short person can't see the mirror. So she would be like, "Oh, please get aside. I want to see the mirror and get dressed and all." So we would dress up, have breakfast. No, we won't have breakfast. We would simply run to the classrooms. When teachers are done with taking attendance and all, we would come back, have breakfast from the hostel. Then we would go for the second lecture thereafter. Similar, that's what we had. Like, and in this hostel, I had an experience of many times taking mess committee along with my friends. It was indeed a nice experience. Like all those, how like I mean, never thought of like how these hostels function and all. But yeah, but these friends I made here at hostel. Apart from my friends, I really did make a very good bunch of juniors who are really close to me and who are there for me always. Yeah, and I will give you a room tour also of this hostel. So this is the entrance, and this is my room's number. So it has changed. Few months back it was 158. So for the convenience, they have changed this to 227. Okay, this was my desk, and these are the. I had many things actually. Like this is my luggage which I have to take today. So we are provided with a desk, a chair, a very nice wooden pot, and one person can use anything for, like a person can use iron box, kettle. Like we used to cook Maggie and all in this rooms. So it was really nice to hear. And thanks for watching. Bye.